Classification of gymnosperm by Chamberlain in 1934. Content: introduction, classification, class Cycadophyta, class Coniferophyta, and references. Introduction. Gymnosperms are seed-bearing vascular plant. Gymnosperm means naked seed, from the Greek gymnos, naked, and sperma means seed. The seeds of the gymnosperms lack a protective enclosure, unlike flowering plants which have flowers and fruits. Seeds are produced on the scales of cones, more advanced than ferns because they do not have spores, they have seeds. Most of the gymnosperms are trees. All of don't possess flower. All gymnosperm have exposed seeds. Division: gymnosperm. Class first Cycadophyta. Class second Coniferophyta. Cycadophyta is divided into three classes: order Cycadophylicales, Benititales, and Cycadale. Class Coniferophyta is divided into order Chordatales, Gingoales, Coniferales, and Natales. Gymnosperm having two classes: Cycadophyta divided into Cycadophylicales, Cycadioidales or Benititales, and Cycadales. Coniferophyta into Chordatales, Gingoales, Coniferales, and Natales. Class first, Cycadophyta, is comparatively small plant with unbranched stem and large fern-like leaves. In a transverse section, the stem shows large pith and thick cortex. The xylem is monoxylic, that is loose and slanty xylem element. It includes three orders: Cycadophylicales, Benititales, and Cycadales. Cycadophylicales, also known as pteridospermales. It is also called as seed ferns. They are found only as a fossils. Seeds are borne on leaves and never in cones. Example: Lyginopteris. Benititales or Cycadioidales. The Benititales were common in Mesozoic and were developed in North America. The plant body resembled that of living cycads, having stout or slender stem. It is extinct. Example: Cycadioidea. Third, cycadales. All cycadales are all cycads are xerophytes. The plants are palm-like in habit. The stem is short, unbranched, and covered with persistent leaf bases. The leaves are pinnately compound and arranged in terminal crown. The cycads are strictly dioecious, that is, micro and megasporophyll develop on separate plants. The ovules are straight, that is, orthotropous. Example: cycas. Cycas, Pinus, and female cone of Pinus. Class 2, Coniferophyta. These are long, profusely branched plants. In a transverse section, the stem shows small pith. Xylem is dense and massive, that is, pycnoxylic. Coniferophyta comprises of four orders: Chordatales, Gingoales, Coniferales, and Natales. First, chordate. Chordates are extinct and occurs as a fossil. These are rather tall tree, large star-shaped leaves and reproductive structure in catkin-like cluster. For example, chordates. Gingoales. It has been carefully preserved as a sacred plant in the temple garden of Japan and China. The leaves are broad and bilobed with dichotomous venation. It is represented by single genus Ginkgo and a single species Biloba. Third, coniferales, mostly evergreen trees with branched stem. The leaves are needle or scale-like, spirally arranged. The leaves possesses xerophytic character. Stem shows small pith, thick wood, and large number of resin canal. Pollen grains may be winged, as in Pinus. Sexual reproduction is oogamous. The plants are monoecious or dioecious. The pollination is by means of wind. Winged seeds with the outer thick testa. Seed is endospermic. Example is Pinus and Taxus. Photographs of Pinus and Taxus. Fourth, natales. The plants are xerophytic, shrub with dark wood, stem or woody climber or lianas. True vessels are present in secondary wood. Opposite leaves, dicotyledonous embryo, absence of resin canal. Example, natum. References: Gymnosperm by P.C. Vashishta and A.K. Sinha. Gymnosperm Structure and Evolution by Chamberlain in 1935. Thank you.